Hello, welcome to week 2 in energy in the atmosphere. Before we get into this topic, I want to point out a little bit of how the structure of this class works. You'll note that these videos are coming out before week 1's coursework is due. Generally, you're given a week to work on things after this is completed. So you have this week to go over the material and review the material, and then you have an assignment, a quiz, a journal, all of these things due the week after. It gives you time to work on them, but in that time, you also will be reviewing this material and preparing for the following week. As far as this week, we will be talking about energy in the atmosphere. We'll go over 4 ways energy is transferred throughout the atmosphere, as well as a 5th way of energy interacting in the atmosphere that's a hidden way called latent heat. This is how energy interacts with moisture in the atmosphere, and it drives a lot of severe weather like tornadoes, hurricanes, thunderstorms, things like that.